Like a minute and 9 seconds. Hi, Jesse.
This works.
It burns, doesn't it?
Doesn't it burn?
I don't know.
I just want to watch somebody try to get up.
I love how I'm laughing and she's like, no.
Okay, it's between Jess and Liz. Who will win?
I will win.
Liz.
I will prevail, bitches.
No, this will go on for like 3 hours.
Shut the fuck up.
He's so freaking loud. Yes, you are.
I shall overcome. I am. Oh shit!
You guys shut the fuck up. Jesus Christ, the people.
Did you go to bed yet?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't get up and then do it again.
I'm sorry for your walls.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jessie just looks hilarious.
Dude, I think I have a cramp.
Okay.
My entire side.
Gravity ain't helping you.
Giant